Okay, this is Chloe. She is 6 years old. She knows how to write both her whole name, she says. So let's see if she can. Look at the camera and wave, baby. Say how old you are.
6.
Look at that beautiful writing. Oh, you even know how to do your middle name. I'm so proud of you. Chloe, Willow, and Tros. When is your birthday? Do you know?
May 11th.
Very good. So technically you're about 6.5. Okay, so say bye-bye. We're gonna put together a Halloween building. Bye, camera.